Alright, here we go. Second box of the break. Another 07 Bowman Sterling. If only this one can live up to the first. Let's see. Let's do the A-Rod pack. Pull the A-Rod auto out of here that nobody seems to be able to pull ever. And no. Two more for the Yanks though. 462 and 451. And the box topper. Box topper is a printing plate for the Pirates. Printing plate 101 of Brad Lincoln. Brad Lincoln blue cyan plate 101. Sick. So we got a nice dual auto and a printing plate in the toppers. Alright, pack number 1. Michael Bourne rookie for the Phillies. For the Padres, Kellen Kobacki auto. We might have to do this break again sometime. Here's a decent one. Refractor rookie card auto of Glenn Perkins for the Twins. Refractors are numbered to 199. Then a game-used jersey of Dontrell Willis for the Marlins. Dontrell. And for the Rockies, a Greg Reynolds prospect. Pack 2. Got a Masumi Kuwata rookie card for the Pirates. Nice for the Chicago Cubs, Josh Vitters. Josh Vitters prospect for the Cubbies. And for the Twins, again, he was in the last box, Ben Revere. And another jersey of Alex Rios. He was in the first box too for the Blue Jays. And on the back we got Eric Young Jr. Eric Young Jr. prospect for the Rockies. Probably worth holding on to right there. Pack number 3. We got a Jesus Flores for the Nationals rookie card. And another Matt Laporta. Get some, Brewers. Second Matt Laporta in 2 boxes. Pretty nice for the Brew Crew. Who's got the Brewers in this one? Trotty with the Brewers. Then a Nick Garnaut for the Angels. This one is a refractor. He was in the last box too, but not the refractor version. For the Angels. Then for the Tigers, game-used bat of Maglio Ordonez. And a rookie or a prospect of Cody Strait for the Reds. Alright, pack number 4. Got a Jake Fox rookie card for the Cubs. For the Blue Jays, a Brandon McGee. Brandon McGee auto, Blue Jays. Then for the Twins, man, the Twins have a lot of freaking hits and stuff. But same guy again, Joe Benson. Joe Benson for the Twins. And for the Angels, a refractor game used jersey to 199 of Vlad Guerrero. And a Jonathan Van Every for the Indians prospect. Alright, we got a Brandon Wood rookie for the Angels. There you go, Army. Jason Hayward for the Braves. Jason Hayward auto. Been sitting here waiting for it. There it is. Get some. Sick. And for the Cubs, rookie auto Felix PA. And for the Indians, a jersey auto of Chuck Lofgren. Don't worry, Starbury, the Indians are kind of loaded in the 08. Got a lot of potential hits with Indians in 08, just letting you know ahead of time. And also for the Indians, a prospect of Jared Godert. Here we go. Last pack of the box. For the Rays, rookie card of Andy Sonnenstein. Here's a decent one here. This guy should be probably get September call-up maybe. We'll see if they still need him. Joe Savory auto for the Phillies. Then for the Yankees, rookie auto, Jabba Chamberlain. Have yourself a break, Yanks. Have yourself a break. Sick. And for the Red Sox, game used bat of David Ortiz. And the last card of this box is Brandon Hamilton, prospect for the Tigers. So there you go. 2 boxes of 07 down. We still got 2 boxes of 08 to go. Peace.